How's it, guys, and welcome to Everything Finance, where we discuss topics and try and simplify things that are really important to understand. So the thing we're going to be discussing today is fees, and really more importantly that 1% fee that you're going to see on most of your brokers or most of the places where you're going to be doing your investing. You're probably going to see maybe a 0.5 or a 1 or maybe even more than 1% fee. And a lot of people go, well, it's only 1%, but you need to realize that this is 1% compounding on itself. It's not just 1% of your initial investment, the money you put down initially, but it's actually 1% of everything moving forwards. So let's do some quick maths. So if we take, let's say you put $10,000 as a lump sum, and you're going to add $500 a month, all right? And you're going to do this at an interest rate of, annual interest rate typically for a stock market on average has been about 8%, and you're going to do that for 40 years because this is your retirement. As you can see, is at the end of the 40 years, you're going to have $1.8 million. That's a really good sum. But now let's take into a effect of 1% fee. So what 1% fee would be is that instead of making 8 every month, you'll be making 7 every month because they are removing 1% at the end of every year. Actually, sometimes it's every month they are removing it, so it even compounds a bit more. But let's take from 8 to 7. So this is 1.8 million. You now have just short of 1.4. So that is more than $400,000 difference. That's 1%. That's the cost of 1%. That's between 20 and 25% of your total money. So 1% fee over a course of 40 years is going to cost you about 20 to 25% of your total growth of your portfolio. So when you're looking at fees, you must be aware that there's many different kinds of fees. I'll do another video on all the different kinds of fees that you get, but this one where they take like 1% or 0.5%, sometimes even 1.5 to 2%, you can imagine how much 2% would impact your portfolio. So the way that I invest is that I'm paying fees currently that is $10 per month. Doesn't matter how much I have invested. And the fund that I am investing in, which is VTI, I'll make more videos on that as well. That fund costs me 0.04%. So you can imagine what 0.04% would cost me over the period of 40 years. Guys, remember, whenever you are dealing with investing, make sure you understand exactly what you're paying. And really, fees of more than 0.5 is actually super high. And just remember to understand what you're doing and make sure that you know what you're being charged. So guys, if you enjoyed this, please hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you next video. Bye for now.